What up, man? What's going on with your YouTube? It's your boy Holland here on Viral Speed, and welcome to my second vlog. What's going on with it, man? I hope y'all enjoying y'all time. I hope y'all had a good Christmas and a good Happy New Year. It is 2020, so I hope y'all are doing everything possible to make 2020 start out correctly for you, man. All the good word of advice here, man, is to work on something. Me in particular, I'm working on my laziness. That's what I'm working on, because sometimes I get lazy. I'm motivated sometimes, but hey, don't mean that I don't get lazy. So my ordeal is to my thing here, my goal is to work on my willpower. You know what I'm saying? That will to get up to do what you need to do each and every morning of your life, and also to work on that laziness. Working on that laziness, man. I think they both go hand in hand. So that is my if you want to call it, for lack of a better term, that's my New Year's resolution, and I don't plan on breaking that at all. So I am going to work. But anyways, enough about that, man. So as far as the channel, man, I just put up another video. So check that out if you haven't seen it. I actually put up two. Part one was just a Corvette car show that I actually filmed earlier in the year 2019. Well, late in the year, I should say. And then also, right after that, I did a car review with my guy, Joey Hertuck at Tim Lally's. So I definitely appreciate them, man. It's been a blast working with them. It's been fun. Nothing short of amazing. I was able to go to a track with them. That was the most fun that I've had so far. I'm supposed to be going and getting another invite to come back again. Because, if you don't get that invite, it's like $5,000 a day to go there. And I ain't got $5,000 to do this. So that's what it is. But anyways, right now I'm just headed to go get my car washed. Speaking of my car, alert. Speaking about my car, I'm turning my car into a project for the channel. It's just a Chrysler 200, a slight modification to it. I'm over 350 horsepower in my 200. Yeah, I'm the only 200 I know around here that's over 300 horsepower. I'm about to add some more. My goal is to get it to at least 500, if not very, very, very close to 500 horsepower. So at the wheel, that's probably putting at like maybe 3 something at the wheels. So stick around with me, stay up with me, follow my grind, see what I do with the channel. That's other than that, there's more that I'm doing too. There's definitely more. I have more videos to put up. Racing, I love racing. That's just fun. Anything I got to do with adrenaline, I love it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on my channel. We're going to have fun. Roll a lot of rolling races, circuit, as much as I can to get up to the track. Drag racing. I haven't done any drag racing yet. I keep saying that I'm going to do that. I'm absolutely going to do it. Just that, I got to have the time to get down there to do it. There is a place, a track about, I can't just make sure I can't turn on red right here, so don't want to get no ticket. But there's a track not too far from me, about 40 minutes both west and also 40 minutes south of me. So I'll be doing that this year, definitely 2020. We going up, viral speed, we definitely going up. I got a lot to bring to the channel. Stick around. I hope y'all enjoy. I enjoy having y'all. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. We over 200 subscribers, and I'm going to push. By the end of this year, I plan at least be between 500, maybe 800 subscribers by then. Who knows? I might even hit 1,000 by then. But my thing is to grind until I get what I want. But stick around. My next video is coming up soon. I already started working on it. A little bit of rolling racing that I got going on in there, just a little bit. But nevertheless, I'm working on my next video to put out. I'm trying to be careful here because my area is getting a little congested here. I ain't trying to have nobody hit my car. Oh no, that's the wrong place. I was about to turn into the wrong place. Then it's hard to get out of here, man, because there's so much traffic, but it's only 2 lanes. Get that? Yeah, it's only 2 lanes. I didn't engineer this place, but it is what it is. But anyways, stick around. It's your boy Holland here on Viral Speed, doing what I do. We out.